Hello and welcome to Belly Timber House. Today I am going to show you how to make a healthy yet very delicious cake without sugar, all-purpose flour, butter or eggs. This cake is full of nutrition and flavors, so let's get started. First we need 1.5 cup of dates. Now add 1 cup of hot milk to the dates and let them soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, blend them well and make a smooth paste. Pour the paste in a bowl and add half cup of oil to it. I am using olive oil, you can use any edible oil. Now whisk it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is completely optional. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and whisk it well. Now scrape the sides of the bowl and add half cup of orange juice and 1 tablespoon of orange zest and mix it. Orange juice and zest are going to give a unique and flavorful, slightly tangy taste which makes this cake unique and delicious. Now add half cup of chopped walnut and 6 to 7 chopped dates and mix with batter and make sure you do not overmix it. Now grease the mold with some oil and flour and pour the batter in a greased mold and pat it 2 to 3 times. Put some chopped walnuts on the top and bake it for 55 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our cake is ready. Let it cool down for 30 minutes and slice it. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon for more wonderful recipes.